Hi everyone, this is very nice logical keyboard from Logitech, and this is the model G810. So this is, more than 1 year, but we didn't clean it long time. So today I want to show you how I can clean. Like for example, it's not easy to bring out the keys from, because even you can't put your hand properly in. If you want to bring out any key from here, you can see this is mechanical keyboard, and it's not easy to bring out keys normally because you can see it's too much dust inside right here. And if you want to clean the keyboard, and it's looked very dirty, so you want to do it right, so it's not easy. First you have to remove the keys, so it's not easy. For example, I try to, actually my hand even can't go inside, so I have no grip, so I can't remove any key from here. I'm trying, but my hand gets slipped. I put inside the hand, you see here, as much as possible. For example, here is a much space, but you see I can't do it. So I want to show you within 5 minutes, even less than that, how you can use very basic thing and remove all the keys. You just don't need anything. Normally they have a cap remover, but most of the time I don't think so many guys they can find it at their home. So what is the very quick hack and trick? This is a keyboard hack and trick, how to remove keys. Just very simple way. If you have any kind of card or credit card, you can just take it, just put it here in this way together, not even one. You can do it like this, 1 2 3 4 keys at the same time, and you can just remove it. Like you can see, it's taking a little bit time, but it's just very easy. You can see all 4 keys come out. Don't force too much, just make a right way. So you can just, first you can take a picture. So when you have a picture, you have right idea where the exactly keys was, so you can put it back. So here's the spacebar key. You can see it's normally I can't remove it. It's not easy. It's because my hand don't have grip. If I do on one side pressure, it can not good for the button. So I just do it this way, and it's very simple. I don't force anything. I didn't do anything. There's a dust, you can see here. There's a lot of dust I have to clean. You can see the dust. So it's very easy way. You can see a lot of dust here. Should to clean it, all that area. But this first thing, the main thing is how you're gonna remove the keys in the proper and nice way. Just see how easy is that. You don't have to take time like 3 keys, 4 keys. Very easy way. The keys come out like this way. Together 2, together 3. You can see here. So that's today video all about this. Is maybe might be very simple video for many people, but it's very useful when you really need to do it. So actually I was looking also, I want to clean, but I don't have the key cap, that key remover. So I was thinking how I gonna do it, but suddenly I got this idea, and I said let's take a camera, and might be many people they want to do it, and it's very useful and important thing. You can see I'm just removing all the keys in one shot. I don't have to take, and I just do that carefully. So you see this key is little bit stuck, so I can use in one side like this way. Very simple, and it come out. I don't want to force badly. I can do it very quickly, but I don't want to do it because I don't want something got yeah, just very simple. You can see it's too much dust. Even key, every key have too much dust here in the surrounding area. I'm going to put all in the alcohol, might be, or something. You see this one side is up and one side is just, so just nicely bring up. Oh, wow. So guys, This is a very simple video, but it's very useful for a lot of people. Might be they can't figure out how to bring out the keys. It's not just easy, you can just bring out from the hand, and that's how. This is 5 keys together. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's try it. 5 keys in a one shot. Yes, this is, if I do hardly, might be it can just jump. You can see how it's come out very nice way. It's not a difficult one shot. 5 keys. Don't forget to take picture, because might be in the, when you're going to put it back you will forget the, so you, if you have a picture, see, in one shot here, right here, can bring out this one. Okay, some keys are a little bit harder, so just take time. Don't so much dust. I mean, I can't believe it. This is the keyboard after 2 years. This condition gonna happen. This is Logitech 810, quite nice keyboard, mechanical. So just like this, very easy. Okay guys, so hope you like the video. Don't forget to thumbs up. You're not going to get it, my most videos are free internet, but sometime I am really try to make a same kind of videos, so I just try something very useful, life hack, how to remove the keycap without anything, only using a credit card or just your any kind of card. So don't watch it, this is confidential, you know. See you in the next video. Take care. Don't forget to thumbs up. If you don't like, you can thumbs down. Take care. Bye bye.